Earlier this week at its Wonderlust launch event, the company introduced the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, solidifying their position as the most potent smartphones ever released by Cupertino. While pre-orders for these devices are slated to commence on Friday with the official sales launch set for September 22, early insights into their performance have emerged online. Recent listings of both smartphones on a benchmarking website shed light on the notable performance enhancements over their predecessors from last year. The new chipset offers 10% faster performance compared to the A16 Bionic, and it is being manufactured using a 3nm process. The earliest entry representing the iPhone 15 Pro indicates an impressive score of 2908 and 7238 for single and multi-core test. In contrast, the latest entry for the 14 Pro displays 2608 and 6673 in single and multi-core test. These benchmark scores underscore the noteworthy performance leap in the latest iPhone 15 Pro models compared to their predecessors. If we compare the performance scores of the 15 Pro with its predecessor, it is evident that there is an increase of roughly 11% and 8% in the single-core test and multi-core tests, respectively. Meanwhile, the 15 Pro Max scored 2846 and 7024 points, while the 14 Pro Max listing shows the phone scored 2641 and 6989 points in the multi-core benchmark test. In this case, the 15 Pro Max, these figures are slightly lower at 7% and 1%. While comparing these scores with Galaxy S23 Ultra, which features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, the South Korean smartphone scores 1878 points on single-core and 4973 on multi-core, far from both iPhone 14 Pro and 15 Pro models. The benchmark scores suggest the handsets offer a modest jump in performance over last year's Pro models, despite Apple's move to the next generation A17 Pro chip that is based on a 3nm process. However, it is worth taking these benchmarks with a pinch of salt as the company is yet to offer the smartphones to consumers, and we should see more benchmarks with the smartphones appear over the coming weeks. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro's 5G modem reportedly boosts speeds by up to 24%. Despite this sizable change, upload speeds only went up a smidge across all three major carriers. The reason for the improvement likely has to do with an upgrade to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max's modem. While Apple hasn't mentioned which kind of modem the devices come with, SpeedSmart says the Pro models feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon X70 modem, which the company advertises as offering unmatched data speeds, coverage, and latency. The modem also comes with an integrated AI processor that's supposed to improve its connection across 5G frequencies, including shortwave and wave signals. The Snapdragon X70 modem comes in Samsung's Galaxy S23 lineup as well. Although there are rumors that Apple is working on its own in-house 5G modems, the company recently extended its modem supply agreement until 2026, so we may have to wait a few more generations to see what Apple has in store. Meanwhile, pre-orders for the iPhone 15 are live now, with availability starting September 22nd. So what are your thoughts on these early benchmark score? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.